I received the SMAL tea maker and kettle in exchange for honest review. The company pitched me, and I thought it was a very neat idea. One of the first things I learned is that you choose the temperature and then hit the power on button. Otherwise, it does not boil the water correctly. I have tried bag teas, which are wonderful. I also have tried powdered matcha tea, using the one with pouring powder into the bin for the tea, for the bag tea. And the matcha tea came out smooth and lovely. I also tried hot chocolate. You don't use all the powder because it can come out clunky and nasty. The same with protein powders. I also have boiled water to use, and then clean with boiled water and then pour it into a mop bucket or pour it into the tub to clean it. That is another great idea. This is a great product to have, and I have been using it almost every day since I received it.